The word compression in photography usually relates to a visual effect produced by long zoom and telephoto lenses, whereby objects in a scene appear to be stacked on top of each other. My name is Mark Hemmings, and in this quick tutorial, I'd like to explain what visual compression is, and also show you an example so you can maximize the compression effect for your own photos. Take a look at this photo of a classic neighborhood in my hometown of St. John, New Brunswick, Canada. Even though these houses are at quite a distance from each other, from foreground to background, they actually appear to be stacked tightly together. This is a result of me using a 200mm zoom lens. And when you use a zoom or telephoto lens to photograph cityscapes such as this, you too will find that the compression effect really adds to your image. Now, if you tried the same shot much closer to the buildings, elevated and with a wider lens, the stacked or compressed feeling would disappear. What you'd end up with is a pretty normal cityscape scene that one would expect to see. Okay, now I would like to give you a key tip to create great compressed cityscape photos. Take a look at my photo, and do you see anything that could be changed to enhance the compression effect? Take a look at the far right. Can you see the red car, the streetlight pole, the tree in the road? These are all visual elements that actually detract from the compression effect. If we crop them all out, the photo sort of departs from the world of documentary and starts to become fine art with a touch of abstraction. So now, with the realistic elements removed, we are left with an enhanced compression effect where our eyes are not distracted by the normal elements of everyday city life. The composition now enjoys a cleaner, compressed view that's more about form than being documentary in nature. So, to sum up, when you're photographing a cityscape, get out your longest zoom lens or telephoto lens. The longer lenses, such as 200mm or 300mm, are really good for creating this compression effect. I hope that tip helps, and if you want to learn more photography with me within an international photo workshop environment, I now offer workshops in Japan, Mexico, Greece, the Caribbean, and the USA. Check out my website, markhemmings.com, to get a full listing of fun and really informative photo workshops.